morning students, welcome to maths online classes. Today topic exponents and powers. We know how to express some numbers as squares and cubes. For example, we write 5 square for 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, and 5 cube for 5 into 5 into 5, that is equal to 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5 is equal to 125. Okay. Next, in general terms, an expression that represents repeated multiplication of the same factor is called a power. The number 5 is called the base and the number 2 is called the exponent. The exponent corresponds to the number of times the base is used as a factor. Five square. 5 is base. 2 is power, exponent. Okay, right. Next, powers with positive exponents. Power number, positive numbers. Value of powers give the positive whole number. Exponents could often increase repeatedly. Observe the following examples. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. Next, 2 square. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Third, 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 to 4. 4 to 8. This. Next, 2 power 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16. Next, 2 power 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 35. Next, 2 power 6 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 64. Next, 2 power 7 and 2 power 8, 2 power 9, 2 power 10 is equal to same model. Okay, right. Next, powers with 0 and negative exponents. Power numbers, zeros and negative exponents, negative numbers. Okay, this is anything power 0 is equal to 1, where a not is equal to 0. A power 0 is equal to 1, where a not equal to 0. Okay, anything power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, next. This topic, in general, a power minus m is equal to a power minus 1. This a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m, where m is integer. Okay, right. This is anything power 0. This is anything power 0. 2 power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Next. Exponent form of numbers using exponents. In the lower classes, we have learned how to write a whole number in the expanded form. For example, 5832. For example, this 5832 is equal to 5 into 1000, 5000 plus second digit 8 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1, ones place. That is equal to 5 into 1000, 30, 5 power 3, 10 in 10 power 3, 10 into 10 into 10. That is equal to 10 tens are 100, 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. That is equal to 5 into 10 power 3 plus 8 into 10 power 2 plus 3 into 10 power 1 plus 2. And this is exponential notation. This is exponential notation. Okay. Next. This 58.32. 58.32 is equal to 50 plus 8 plus decimal form 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100. 2 by 10 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100. That is equal to 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1 plus 3 into 1 by 10 plus 2 into 1 by 100. Next one, 5 into 10 power 1 plus 8 into 10 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1 plus 3 into, this is 10 power minus 1 plus 2 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, right. Next, laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Laws of exponents arise out of certain basic ideas. A positive exponent of a number indicate how many times we use that the number in a multiplication, whereas a negative exponent suggests us how many times we use that number in a division, since the opposite of multiplying is dividing. First one, product law. According to this law, when multiplying two powers that have the same base, we can add the exponents. That is a power m into a power this. A power m into a power n is equal to base same. A powers add m plus n. This a power m into a power n, that is equal to base equal same number a, powers add m plus n. Okay, This is product law. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay, right. Examples. First one, 2 power 3 into 2 power 2, that is equal to 2 power 5. First one, 2 power 3 into 2 power 2 is equal to base equal. This is two numbers same, 2 base 2 powers 3 plus 2, that is equal to 2 power 3 plus 2 5. Okay, next second sum, 2 power minus 2 power 4 minus 2 power minus 4 into minus 2 power minus 3. This is equal to 1 by minus 2 power 4. This is law. Using the law, a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power plus m. Okay, using this law, right. Minus 2 power minus 4 into minus 2 power minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 1 by minus 2 power 4 into 1 by minus 2 power 3, that is equal to 1 ones are 1 divided by minus 2 same base minus 2 power plus 4 into minus 2 power plus 3, that is equal to 1 by minus 2 power 4 plus 3, that is equal to 1 by minus 2 power 4 plus 3 7, that is equal to minus 2 power, this is minus 2 power minus 7. Okay, right. Next, third question, minus 5 power 3 into minus 5 power minus 3. This, that is equal to base same minus 5 power plus 3 minus 3, that is equal to minus 5 power 3 minus 3, that is equal to 5 power 0. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, right. Next, quotient law. According to this law, when dividing two powers that have the same base, we can subtract the exponent, that is a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Okay, that is equal to a power m by a power n is equal to a power m into a power minus n, that is equal to a power m minus n. Okay, this is quotient law. For example, first one, minus 3 power 5 by minus 3 power 2, that is equal to this quotient law method. This is quotient law method. Okay, minus 3 power 5 into minus 3 power plus 2 up to power minus 2, that is equal to minus 3 power 5 minus 2, that is equal to minus 3 power 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, minus 3 power 3. Okay, right. Next question, B. Minus 7 by minus 7 power 100 divided by minus 7 power 98, that is equal to quotient law. Using quotient law, minus 7 power 100 into minus 7 power 98 minus 98 minus 98, that is equal to base equal minus 7 power 100 minus 98, that is equal to 2. Okay, next, minus 7 power 2 is equal to minus 7 into minus 7, that is equal to 7 7s are minus into minus plus, 7 7s are 49. 49. Okay, answer is 49. Okay. Next, power law. According to this law, when raising a power to another power, we can just multiply the exponents, where a not is equal to 0, m comma n are integer, m and n are integers. Okay, this law is power of power, power law, power of power. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n mn. Okay, for example, small examples, two power 3 whole power 2, that is equal to 2 power 3 2s are power of power. This law is power of power. 3 2s are 6. 2 power 6, that is equal to 2 power 6 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times 64. 2 power 6 is equal to 64. Okay. Example, this minus 2 power 3 into whole power 2, that is equal to minus 2 power 3 into 2. This is power's law. Minus 2 power 3 2s are 6. This is power is even number. So This is positive. 2 6 times 62. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 64. Okay, right. Next. This is important loss. This is important loss. This product law, this quotient law, this is zero exponent rule. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. Next, sir, 5 power 0 is equal to 1. 100 power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. Right. Next, examples, sums. Find the value of first question 4 power minus 3. 4 power minus 3. This. That is equal to 1 by 4 power plus 3. This. That is equal to 1 by 4 power 3 is equal to 4 into 4 into 4. That is equal to 1 by 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Okay. Right. Next, second one. This 1 by 2 power minus 3 is equal to this law. 1 by 1 by a power minus m is equal to a power plus m using this law. 1 by 1 by 2 power minus 3 is equal to 2 power plus 3. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, the answer is 8. Next, sir, third question, 2 power minus 2 power 5 into minus 2 power minus 3. That is equal to base equal. Minus 2 power 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 power 2. Power 2 is even number. So this is positive number. Minus 2 into minus 2, that is equal to minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. This is 4 is answer. Okay, right. Next. 3 power 2 divided by 3 power minus 2, that is equal to 3 power 2 divided by 4th question, 3 power 2 by 3 power minus 2, that is equal to 3 power 2 into this is power change plus 2, that is equal to 3 power 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 square 9 into 9, that is equal to 81. Answer is 81. Okay, next. Example 1.37. Simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Okay. First one, 3 power 5 divide 3 power 8 whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5. This question 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 8 whole power this is 8. This is 8. Okay, right. 3 power 5 into 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 8 whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5, that is equal to 3 power 5 into 3 power minus 8 whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5, this. Okay, this. Change base equal 3 power 5 minus 8 is equal to 3 power minus 3 whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5, that is equal to 5 3s are 15 minus 15 into 3 power 5, that is equal to 3 power minus 5 minus 5, that is equal to 3 power minus 20. Minus 20. This is answer. Okay, right. Next, second one, minus 3 power 4 into 5 by 3 whole power 4 is equal to 3 power 4. 4 is even, that is value is positive. 3 power 4 into, this is 5 power 4 by 3 power 4 is equal to 3 power 4, 3 power 4 cancel. 3 power 4, 3 power 4 cancel. Remaining answer is 5 power 4. Okay, right. Next, example 1.38. Find x so that minus 7 power x plus 2 into minus 7 power 5 is equal to minus 7 power 10. Solution. Minus 7 given value, minus 7 power x plus 2 into minus 7 power 5, that is equal to minus 7 power 10. Power add, LHS value power add. Minus 7 power base equal minus 7 power x plus 2 plus 5, that is equal to minus 7 power x plus 7, that is equal to minus 7 power 10. Okay, since the bases are equal, both side bases are equal, we equate the exponent to get x plus 7 is equal to 10. Next, x is equal to 10 plus 7, bring the right side, minus 7, that is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Okay, right. Okay, sir. Homework. Today homework exercise 1.6 question number 1 and 2. This is homework. Okay, right.